President of Thadou Inpi Manipur TIM M. James Thadou has expressed dissatisfaction on Ministry of Home Affairs for restricting their movement in Imphal and for confining the Thadou delegation at Hotel Classic. The delegation of Thadou, who attended a meeting with Meitei CSOs yesterday, accused the centre of keeping them under house arrest within its state, Manipur. Speaking in this regard to media persons at Hotel Classic in North AOC today, James Thadou expressed happiness on the opportunity to return to Imphal after 2 years of turmoil that broke out in May 2023. He added that the visit is meant for resolution of Manipur crisis and for restoration of peace in the state. While expressing hope on the talks among CSOs in Manipur, James Thadou thanked Meitei CSOs, Imphal Students Organization for the cooperation and support. He, however, expressed discontent on the restriction imposed by Home Ministry in their free movement within Imphal. James Thadou said allowing their free movement could have contributed to early return of peace. He further added that the talks which were held yesterday was a sign of understanding between communities, and another round of talks will be held in the next 2 weeks. James Thadou also informed that there is no talks between Thadou and Kuki as of now, but possibility of such development can be expected in the near future.
CSO mayam aduga brother and sister mayam bo ngamkhai leina thagat jari haibidi boina fazana welcome to biraga akoina si Manipur da peace install to bigi work to jaba phangbasi yam nungai adubo ina haibukumna khoi marak sida adum movement sida su kaisu problem leina tre adubo Home Ministry ki instruction makhada koi start thammusidi pinjadi haibisena ngasi ichin now media house ki through the public da natraga government da central government amasung state government da thamjaning bane.
Another round of talks and another round of meeting will be performed in Imphal, and then on that basis we are Thadou Inpi Manipur also preparing for a huge number of members to present in the meeting. Thadou Inpi Manipur is already positive. We want peace, and during 2023 we have a series of meetings with state agency and state media and state leaders. After that, we have come a meeting with Meitei Alliance in Delhi, and a series of meeting. After a series of meeting, result hajarakpagi ekoi sita lakpani.